I have some important news. Last week I was worried about putting a window in my shed. Well, it looks like the council saw the video because I got a letter in the post that says, "Dear Mr. Andrews, with regards to the window in the rear elevation of your shed, we think it's totally fine, like don't even worry about it. Yours sincerely, Deborah, Steve and the rest of the team. P.S. Do you fancy a game of squash on Saturday? I was thinking we could play it in our pants." Not really sure about that. Squash isn't really my game. Do you think that's conditional? Maybe I'll go. I mean, who else is going? I'll do it. I just don't want to be. I don't want to be the only one. Who do you think wrote more of that? Was that more Deborah or Steve? Look, it's a nice letter from some nice people. And you know, they said planning was going to change in this country. So yeah, welcome to the Shed Show? Question mark. It was nice weather today. It was good. Good weather. I had a clear run and all the cladding. Should have got it done. Did I get it done? No, I did not get it done because I went next door to my neighbours and fitted their front door because that needed doing. I met their cat. She's nice. And I met a squirrel today. Did I tell you about the squirrel? Might have already told you about the squirrel. I mean, it's pretty exciting. What I'm saying to you is that since my 20s, since my 30s even, my entire life has contracted. And now I'm talking to cats and squirrels. I don't mind it. Do I? Maybe at some level. No, I don't. I prefer it. Do I? Not clear. Doesn't matter. Don't have a choice. What's my point? My point is, I don't have a point. This is a really weird episode. I'm sorry about that. I think this might be the last one. I'm just not sure. I'm not sure how to end it. I didn't plan it that way. I edit these late on a Friday and I've just run out of shed. I'm so busy with work as a graphic designer, which I love by the way, but it's hard to justify. I've seen my family so little recently. My son has stopped calling me dad and instead calls me man in hall sometimes. This isn't a trick, by the way. I really don't know what to do next. I didn't think this would go as well as it has done, and it's hardly a viral smash, but honestly, part of me had stopped seeing myself as a performer, and it's been so nice to do something again. I mean, I could do more. I am tempted. I've got loads of stuff I could make to a mediocre standard whilst mumbling. So, maybe not. I don't know. I'll think about it. But, in the meantime, if you could do me a favour and just not kick any ducks. I don't know, it would mean a lot to me. And I suppose it would mean a lot to those ducks. Not getting kicked, that would be that's a good day for a duck, I think.